Kiwi the parrot is at it again, and this time, he's the star of his own comedy show. Perched on his favorite spot in the living room, Kiwi has discovered the art of playful pranks. His first victim, the unsuspecting family cat napping quietly in a sunbeam. With a cheeky glint in his eye, Kiwi mimics the sound of cat food opening, prompting the cat to dart awake hilariously. Not stopping there, Kiwi decides to mimic the doorbell, leaving family members puzzled as they rush to check for visitors. Kiwi's comedic antics transform an ordinary day into a laughter-filled adventure, proving that in the world of pets, humor knows no bounds.